In today's fast-paced world, road safety is more critical than ever. Yet, our roads are plagued by defects like potholes and cracks, posing risks to drivers and pedestrians alike.
As we navigate through crowded streets and busy highways, the last thing anyone wants to encounter is a road hazard. Unfortunately, potholes and cracks are all too common, leading to frustration, vehicle damage, and even accidents. It's time to revolutionize road safety and ensure smoother journeys for all.
But what if there was a solution? A beacon of hope amidst the chaos. Introducing our intelligent embedded system-based road defect and abnormalities detection using deep learning, an innovative deep learning-based system designed to revolutionize road safety.
Our project utilizes cutting-edge deep learning algorithms to analyze real-time footage and identify road defects like potholes and cracks instantly. With the increasing emphasis on road safety and infrastructure maintenance worldwide, the opportunity for growth in this market is substantial. Governments and organizations are prioritizing initiatives to improve road safety, presenting a significant market opportunity for innovative solutions like ours.
Unlike traditional manual inspection methods, our project offers a faster and more accurate solution, setting it apart from competitors.
Our revenue model encompasses various streams, including potential partnerships with government agencies or private contractors for road maintenance projects. Additionally, we may explore licensing our technology to municipalities or offering subscription-based services for ongoing support and updates. Comprised of 3 computer engineering students, our team specializes in deep learning, computer vision, and hardware integration, ensuring comprehensive expertise in all aspects of our project.
As we continue to innovate, our vision is clear: safer, smarter roads for all.